Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from Binomo. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on video, and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to withdraw funds from your Binomo account, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your Binomo application, and be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on the icon that is like your wallet on the bottom. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is tap on the balance option right here. Then once you tap on balance, you'll find an option that says withdraw right here. Simply tap on that, and now what you need to do is choose your withdrawal method from bank card, bank transfer, and wallets or cryptocurrencies. Then simply enter the withdrawal details after that. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, provide the necessary details such as the bank account number, wallet address, or card information depending on your chosen method. Then simply click on request withdrawal or tap on it to submit your request. The processing time varies depending on the withdrawal method. Bank card typically takes 1 to 12 hours, and bank transfer usually takes 1 to 3 business days, and e-wallets and cryptocurrencies processing time can vary to the specific server guideline. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.